Dental caries is damage to the hard tissues of the teeth caused by acid produced by bacteria in the mouth, mainly Streptococcus mutans, which break down sugary food residues. This acid gradually erode the tooth enamel and form cavities. If left untreated, caries can lead to pain, infection, and tooth loss.
Cases and prevalence. In Indonesia, several oral health problems include high dental caries problems, low levels of accessibility to dental care, and lack of education about the importance of caring for oral health. Based on basic health research, Oris Kesdas 2018 data, the prevalence of dental caries in Indonesia reached 88.8%. This means that only about 12% of Indonesians are free from caries. This prevalence tends to be high in all age groups, even reaching 92.6% in children aged 5 to 9 years. Furthermore, data from the Health Ministry reported that only about 10% of Indonesians with oral health problems actually seek treatment. Despite dental caries ranking among the top 6 most common diseases with a prevalence of 16 to 80%.
So now we're gonna discuss about the cause of caries. The cause of caries is because the bacteria in the mouth, mainly Streptococcus mutans, that convert sugars and carbohydrates from food into acids, which erode tooth enamel and cause cavities. Food that can cause the caries are: the first is sweet foods, like candy, chocolate, sweet batteries, soft drinks, and packaged fruit juice in a high in sugar, ice cream and other sweet dessert, biscuit and sweet snacks. The second, sticky foods like caramel, toffee, and sugared gum, resin and dried fruits that sticks to all teeth. The dodol, cotton candy, and traditional sweets. The third is processed carbohydrates like white bread, crackers, potato chips, and salty snacks, pasta and white rice if often consumed without cleaning. The fourth is acidic drinks like energy drinks, sport drinks, wine, and spirits. The fifth is additional risk factor. Example like eating or snacking too often, especially sweets, lack of oral hygiene, dry mouth, or lack of saliva, and genetic factor.
Caries prevention focuses on reducing the risk of dental caries in children, especially those at high risks. What are the ways to prevent dental caries? Now, I will explain you how to prevent caries. Caries prevention involves behavior modification, dental hygiene education, and then dietary management, limiting sugar and balanced diet, and protective measures, sealant, fluoride, and chlorhexidine. So, what food is? Food is good to consume to prevent caries? Foods good for preventing caries include fruits like apples and carrots, veggies like broccoli and legumes, and dairy products like milk and water.
The process of caries begins with the presence of the plaque on the surface of the teeth. Plaque is formed from a mixture of salivary substances such as mucus, remnants of oral tissue, cell, leukocyte, liquid agar, which over time become selected, a place for bacteria to grow. In addition to plaque, dental caries is also caused by sucrose or sugar from fruit residue and bacteria that stick at a certain time which turn into lactic acid, which will lower the pH of the mouth to critical, which will cause enamel demineralization, which will continue to become dental caries.
Caries prevention can be studied with brush your teeth regularly, use toothpaste that contains with fluoride, don't forget to brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes and make sure to reach all surface of your teeth. Treatment for tooth decay or cavities after being diagnosed by a resident will vary depending on extent of tooth decay. Common treatments include fillings, root canals, or even tooth extraction in more